Hey, hello everyone. Today in the morning, I would like to share three things with you all, and these three things are really going to change your life. These three things are really helpful to live our life in a better way. I have already completed the book written by Subra Mukherjee ma'am, that is Power of Self Awareness, where she has clearly mentioned about productivity, self care, how to have a great life, and many more. So I would highly recommend this book to each and everyone. Please read this book and change your life. I had already changed mine, so please you go through the book. The things which I would like to share is all about gratitude, acceptance, self-care, and yes. Ask yourself, are you a creator or a complainer? Because in my last video, I had already discussed with you all about productivity, that we all are packed up with many work and we feel like what to do, what not to do. But the things which really distract us, we should keep those things far away from us. Then only we can be productive. Just watching those reels, watching social media, unwanted reels, videos we should avoid. And yes, whenever you are taking any task, 90 minutes task, you should do that. And the things which really distract you should keep those things away. Complete your task and then give 5 minutes or 10 minutes break for yourself. And in those 10 minutes, 5 minutes break, have some coffee, walk, reply the messages which you already have received to your family members. This way you can manage everything, trust me. And yes, last but not the least, that is the mind mapping, which can really help and change your life. Do some mind mapping, because whenever you do some mind mapping and you write down, you jot down some points, the keywords, it will always be imprinted in your mind. So it is really helpful. I'm really thankful to Subra Mukherjee ma'am, my mentor, who has really helped me. And through this mind mapping, I have already changed my life. So the first thing I would like to tell you, apart from this productivity, is all about self-care. It is important because we are doing so many things. So self-care is important, and in self-care, you should ask yourself, what are the things you want? Look into the mirror. Look into your face. Do you want some massage? Do you want to groom yourself? Do that. That are really important, because whenever you do all this, when you go to parlor, you will feel like that you are again rejuvenated. So these are the things you really want. Drink plenty of water. Just do the mind mapping of your self-care. What are the things you want? Food, healthy food, fruits, drink water, exercise, meditation. These are the things you write down in a mind map, and then do that, because self-care is important. Because until and unless you take care of yourself, you won't be able to do other things, right? So this is important along with other work. See, if you will continue work, if you will always packed up with your profession, your work to earn money and all, but you will not take care of yourself, if you will not self-aware what are the things you want in life, those can give you happiness. If you are not aware of all these things, definitely the things will become monotonous. So please just know yourself and do the self-care. Massage yourself, your skin, your hair. Drink water, plenty of water, good food, and yes, of course, meditation exercises. Exercising are the good things which you can inculcate in your life, and please don't forget all these things. The second thing is gratitude and acceptance. Gratitude is important. See, some friends, your family members, those who are helping you, you show gratitude. I'm not telling that only show gratitude to them. Gratitude is important. What are the things you have in your life? Don't complain that I don't have this, I don't have that. Just show gratitude, because this nature is also giving you something selflessly. So gratitude should be there for each and everything. Whoever is helping you, whatever the things you are receiving in your life, whatever the things right now you have, show gratitude, and you will see that you have completely changed your life. You will never complain, and accept the things you have in your life. Sometimes we complain that I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have good face, I don't have good hair. No, accept Accept yourself the way you are and groom yourself. Try to find out positivity, the things which you have in your life. And the question which I asked you, that is, are you a creator or a complainer? This is very important question. Don't become a complainer every time, because the person who complains everything, they will feel that, every things, whatever the things they will receive or the things they have with them, they will complain everything for small small mistakes. Whenever they will, they have to pay the bill, or they have any fight, or they will not receive any good things, any positive comment, they will always complain that I'm not getting all these things. So don't become that. If anyone is criticizing you, accept that, it's okay, fine. Have a smile on your face. Don't become a complainer, be a creator. The things which you have with you, ask yourself that what are the things I can do with this thing. And once you become a creator, trust me, you can change your life. Sometimes you feel that I get less salary, so I don't want to show good productivity, or I don't want to do more work for the company. Please don't do that. If you will work only, you will feel that I get only this much salary and I will work only this much, you will never grow in life. Trust me, I heard this line from somewhere in some video, that you will never earn or win hearts when you will think that I will earn the things which I'm earning right now, I will work only that much. Trust me. So if you really want to grow, give more. Just do some self care, show gratitude, accept the things, and yes, never become a complainer. Be a creator in your life, and following these things, you can really change your life, because these are the things which these are the things, they really help us to grow in life. And we really want to grow in life, right? Money will follow you. Money will definitely follow you. Trust me, this line. If you follow wisdom and knowledge, if you follow good habit, if you follow good learnings, if you follow gratitude, if you follow acceptance, money will follow you. So first of all, just have all these things, inculcate these good habits. Definitely you can change your life. And yes, trust me, last but not the least, I will add this line, that please go through this book, The Power of Self-Awareness, and change your life. Because we all are packed up, we all are doing so many things in our life to grow, right? To become a speaker, to become a public speaker, to go to TEDx, right? Even to write a book, to become an author, and so many things. To launch Udemy courses and many more. Just we all are doing all these things to grow, right? To become famous, to earn money. Yes, when we are working hard, definitely money will follow us, but that is the part. But we all are doing this just because for our personal growth, to change our life, to have wisdom, to have knowledge. So definitely, if you follow all this self-care, just check your productivity, do some mindfulness. Along with that, don't complain, just become a creator. If you take care of all these things, trust me, you can really change your life. I had already changed my life, and I would highly recommend you all that go through this book. Along with that, follow whatever the book you read, implement in your life. You can really change your life, trust me. Sometimes we feel that the person who is speaking all these things, uh, does he or she has implemented or not? See, this is a very vital question. Before you say something to people, first you change, first you implement, then only the things, the result, when people are going to see on you that yeah, this girl or this woman or the man has already changed, definitely they will also follow you. So whatever you want to apply, or whatever you want to give suggestions to people, first of all apply in yourself, and then you just say to people that yes, I did it, you do it. So I did it, you also do it, you will definitely change your life. So with this is Beena Roy signing off. I hope that you will always keep smiling. just love yourself and do the things which you are doing it, definitely you will change your life. Take care.